In this video, I will show you how to send money from Europe to Nigeria. So to do this, I recommend using Remitly. So I've used Remitly quite often, and you can see if you live in Europe, in any of these countries right here, then you can use Remitly. Now personally, I'm from the Netherlands, so I'll just select Netherlands right here. Then for the country you're sending to, you can just click on whatever it says for you and search for Nigeria. Then click on it, and then it will be set from your country to Nigeria. And then you can select how much you want to transfer, for example 75 euros, and then click on get this rate. Now from here, if it's your first time using Remitly, which it most likely is, just gonna click on sign up and create your account. That should only take 1 or 2 minutes. Now I already have an account, so I'll just sign into my account. Now after you create or sign into your account, make sure that the country is set correctly. So for me it's not, so I'll just search for Nigeria again and select it. And then click on send money right here. Now again, just choose how much you want to send and then click on continue. Now on your first transfer, you won't have to pay any fees. Now choose the delivery method, which is how the money will be delivered to your recipient in Nigeria. I'll go with a bank deposit. From here, just select their bank, so I'll go with GT Bank. And then here enter their NUBAN and their name and other details that are requested. After doing that, you may also need to enter some details about yourself if it's your first transfer with Remitly, and you will need to choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Then eventually you will get an overview of all the details, so make sure it's correct, and if it is, then go and confirm it, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Nigeria. So now you know how to send money from Europe to Nigeria. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.